I decided to attend the Train the Trainer workshop because I had actually been using this simulation in my class for 2 semesters prior to this, but I didn't know if I was doing a good job or if I was emphasizing the things that needed to be emphasized.
What we try to do during these workshops is to immerse faculty in the simulation so that they can see what it is like to be a participant and understand the simulation from the inside.
So this is my first experience on the other side of the coin, and it's kind of interesting because a lot of the mistakes I would get mad at my students for, I find myself making.
Investment in marketing.
And we got really serious and really into the game, and the students are going to do the same, especially the competitive aspect against each other. We caught ourselves, we would leave the training room and go outside so that our competitors on the next table couldn't hear us.
I'm trying to bring it back to the university in Trinidad, and they don't have the experience with it, and when you try to tell somebody about it, it's a lot different from having somebody experience it.
The Marketplace Train the Trainers has really been a quality use of time. It was absolutely worthwhile. I would even consider coming back and doing it again just to get, every time you play this game, you learn more and more.
So we invite you to come to Knoxville, Tennessee and participate in one of the Train the Trainer seminars that are offered free of charge.